Hello folks, so here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Today we happen to be here at Menominee, Michigan. Look at beautiful trees, they look amazing. Beautiful homes. I wonder if you can go up to here and then go back that way. This is a nice neighborhood. We are here in January 2023, so we just got a little bit of snow, and you can see Lake Michigan down that way, straight ahead. So all of these homes essentially are next to the lake. But I want you guys to see all of these beautiful homes here in Menominee. And obviously the snow makes it even prettier. Obviously, look at that. And we are driving here in Menominee. We're gonna go downtown and we're gonna be walking. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Look at those beautiful buildings. Nice.
Interesting architecture for this part of the world.
Yes, it looks pretty like California. California style. Lighthouse is straight ahead. They got a nice park over there. Alright folks, so we are walking here in Menominee. Menominee is a beautiful little city, honestly. Been here twice. Well, you know, my husband is from Escanaba, so every time we go to Escanaba, we definitely drive through here. But this is downtown. It looks actually really nice. I just wanted to show you how it looks. It is a place definitely to probably just come and see family, honestly. If you don't have any family, most of the time you probably will not even come this way, because there's nothing, not much to do except for camping and maybe to come and see the family, hang out with the family and so on. But this is Menominee, beautiful little city. This is Michigan, so just to give you a heads up, come and visit though. It's nice architecture too. Look at that. They got the lighthouse on the other side. And I think I already made a video for you guys in regards to the lighthouse here in Menominee. So that video is available for you guys as well. Look at these buildings. These buildings are definitely beautiful. And we just got a little bit of snow, so there we go. This is downtown Menominee. Beautiful. Nice, eh? You can see on the other side there's a huge, really nice church over here that you can come and check out. This is downtown Menominee, Michigan. What is boat launch area? All right, look at that, guys. Beautiful. So beautiful downtown Menominee. It seems like they're doing a lot of remodelation here in Lloyd. Is that a movie theater?
Could be.
It seems like
Not
it.
a business one from the look of it.
Yeah. So I was letting people know that every time we go to Escanaba, we definitely drive through here, right?
We do.
We just never been to these.
The highway turns before you come into this downtown area.
Yeah. And honestly, some of these buildings, they look really nice. Very European style, I would say. Look at that one over there. Looks like a castle. It's beautiful. So it seems like this is a main street, downtown Menominee. Look at this beautiful building. That's nice. And we just got a little bit of snow today, so that's why you see a lot of snow pile up everywhere. At least they're cleaning the streets, so that's really nice. That's beautiful buildings. Look at that one. That looks like France in Pere. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll be going downtown to see a few nice church here in Menominee. I hope you guys enjoy that too, okay? That's really nice. And I almost forgot to mention, folks, right next to us, you get to see Lake Michigan. So this city is laying right next to Lake Michigan. All the that way you can see. Water is not frozen yet, which is good. The city lays next to Lake Michigan. And that is Lake Michigan over there. So that's the bank still. Now you're gonna make a left. Men are right in there. Are they coming back?
Well, I guess they're...
Oh, they're coming back. Never mind. False alarm, I guess.
Okay. Must have been where their call was.
So this is a nice church here in Menominee, guys. This is what I was talking to you guys about. I think it's beautiful. They got like 4 almost next to each other. So that's one. This is one more, I believe. Is that right? This is church. And then we got...
At least it used to be. I don't know what it is now. Oh, yeah. First United Methodist.
Oh, yeah? Okay. And we're still in Menominee, so this is a couple of more... Our church from... Oh, that looks like the city hall, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got to be a municipal building.
It has to be like a city hall, I think. And that is a church. Nice. And just to give a heads up, folks, next to Menominee, the only boundary between Wisconsin and Michigan, it is River Wanhan.
Menominee River.
Menominee River. So we are going from Michigan to Wisconsin. And this is how it looks.